Welcome back, it's Fortek 9. Today we're out here in 7 Mile. It just kind of rained, not too much, so it's not gonna be as dusty today. It's gonna be perfect, should be a pretty good day. We have the Losi Promoto out. Also decided to take out the new Hosim truck. We got the red ramp going on today. And go ahead, go find some good spots to jump these things. Also this time we took out those little, I don't know how you call it, the side little bumpers. More natural look to it. You just got to be very careful in the corners. So far this car's been a blast. The only thing that kind of sucks is the body rattles, but maybe next time I'll try some foam pads on the pins, see if that helps. Ooh, that was beautiful. That was a close one. Oh my goodness. Man, honestly, I'm kind of impressed with this thing so far. Nothing, bro, besides just the front bumper right here, just a little crack. But I mean, we rolled this thing and flipped this thing. It's holding on real good. Oh, I think. Oh, look. Little rubber band went inside. Just gotta, oh yeah, that pin. The only bad thing about this is they include very cheap clips. They include a bunch of in the box. Now I can see why. Okay, right now we're gonna see if we could do this little hill climb right here. Oh, not too bad. Once you get the hang of jumping the dirt bike, it's actually not bad. You just gotta go fast basically. If you go slow, then it falls side to side, but if you go fast, it's not bad. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, it seems like the sand gets in there. But this thing is fun though. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Just a quick little bash session. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time.